usual. But I really don't know what to say anymore. But I'm just really grateful for as always to God and to Him and to everyone that's surrounded us with so much love and support. Kay Ma'am Cynthia, Coach Adrian, for being always there, all throughout everything that's happened. So yun lang, super proud.
So how is his motivation for this year? Kasi syempre like, he reached this grade last year, but he's gonna keep on. So how is his mindset for finish?
Yun nga din po, pinag-uusapan pa namin yan po when we parang deep thoughts like that po. So parang since ang hirap maghanap ngayon ng motivation since after parang you've won your ultimate dream, diba? So parang ngayon motivation na is matapatan or mahigitan niya sa yung blessing na nabigay sa kanya po. And also yung motivation na comes from a very healthy source po. Kasi before parang there's so many things kinukuha from super late yung eagerness na I really have to win it. But now it's coming from a really healthy source.
You're all out in supporting him for his campaign to the
Yeah, of course. Of course, definitely. Just this year was the most.
I think you're singing for his